So we are finally at Ozen, and we're gonna do something called a water check, and this is interesting.
I love this.
Yeah.
This is the first time which we started in Maldives.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you're gonna sit in the water. Okay.
Okay.
Because we need to remove your shoes.
Oh, we probably need to remove our shoes. Yes, that's probably true. Okay.
Now I'm gonna borrow your shoulder.
Please, 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 please.
Okay, so we're taking off shoes already. Fantastic.
Since you're filming, I'm borrowing
Yeah.
your house shoulder.
Yeah. Wow. This is quite amazing. It's so beautiful.
Wow. Well, let's check in, shall we?
Yeah, let's take a look. Let's see. Okay, so feet in the water first time. Oh, that's refreshing. That's not. Yeah.
Get in the deep water.
Yeah. If you don't mind, Bib, I'm gonna take the
no,
one
I'll
that's
sit
in.
right here.
Okay.
I'll sit right over there.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
My roll this.
Oh my god. This is amazing. The water feels real cool. It's not. Yeah, it feels really nice. Oh, this is also reception area. Okay, north side. Oh, it's so beautiful.
On the right, you can see a white building.
Yes.
That's our gym fitness center. They will
Okay.
open from morning 6:30 until 9 p.m.
Okay.
There will be instructor available anytime. Please get within.
And that's also the spa area, right, Tyke?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There will be spa as well.
Yeah. Look at the people in the jet skis. Isn't that cool? I know you love jet ski.
So what is the first time here or it came before in Maldives?
This is, you're asking, have we been here before?
Yeah.
No. This is the first time to Maldives. First time here. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Yeah, oh, look at how crystal clear this water is. Oh, there's bicycles here. Hold on. Service. Okay, there's it. We're good. We're good. It's service. I thought maybe we have to do a little policing tag. Oh, this is us? Okay. Thank you.
For your home.
Oh, look at this. See down here, there's like this over water window thing. That's pretty cool. Adrian will not step on that, I guarantee you. Oh, wow.
No, it's very strong. No worries.
Oh, look at that. How cool is that? Oh my gosh.
Oh, the view.
Yeah. Oh, we'll get to that. Oh, we'll get to that, all right. Let's see. Yeah, oh my gosh. Look at that. Yeah, later on we will go out there. We'll do some filming out there as well. Through here. Okay, so here's the bathroom. Nice big, wow. I mean, this is huge tub. Look at this. Look at this. And then complete privacy. No one's gonna be out there. So if you want to just open up the windows and let the sea breeze in, it's kind of completely up to you, right? So over here we can see there's that. There is a shower, it looks like. Yeah. Yeah, again, you can draw the shades up to you. That's a really big kind of waterfall shower thing too. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay. That's the kind of overwater hammock. I think you can just kind of lay on that. Okay, so there's that. And then here, of course, is just the loo. Okay. Sometimes when you come back from dinner or something like that, they'll have something special kind of planned for the room, for you, I guess. In this case, tomorrow is like a very traditional, I would say more traditional dinner that kind of introduces more of the Maldivian culture. And so when we came back to the room, there was prepared on the bed here a sarong for us, for I guess Adria, it could be for me to wear. And then if you have some of your laundry done, this is how it arrives like this, so that's pretty cool. Also, I just wanted to show kind of the tall ceilings in here. I realized we didn't show that last time. Really, really high ceilings in here. Okay, so we can come around. And sometimes they'll prepare other little special things like this. So there's like a bubble bath ready to go. So that's pretty cool, with umbrella, apparently. There's a turtle. See him? Okay, so we are on our way to the underwater restaurant, what they call the M6M. Okay, so it looks like we head down these stairs here. Oh, look at the blue in here. This is really cool. And here's the underwater restaurant, as you can see. Yeah, this is beautiful. Here, let me turn the camera up a little bit so you can kind of see the ceiling too. Oh, this is quite beautiful. So this is the kind of spa area for Ozen. You can see here, this is like where the locker rooms are. So there's no one in here right now. So, and you have your little kind of vanity area there. Here is the steam room and the sauna. And then you have your kind of double sinks there. As you see, there's women area there. So out here is the pool area. So you go and you do your kind of steam room and sauna, cool down and things like that, and you come out here. That's a saltwater pool right there. And those two, one's supposed to be warm and one's supposed to be cooler, but it feels like exactly the same to me. It's hard for me to... There's the turtle. See him? Just finished the massage. And now we're gonna have what they call a milk bath. I think they call it Cleopatra bath. So you can see here, it's bath made with, I think it's goat milk and some essential oils and things like that. And then they have a little vanilla milkshake. You can see they have just the little cute things, like the little flower things. And then they have like little doves and things. So that's the milk bath. You can see over here, they have another like towels ready to go for when we're done with little flowers and things like that. And then if you look out, it's kind of like you take the bath and then you kind of overlook this, and that's just amazing, man. It's crazy. So beautiful. Today's our last full day in Maldives.